We're in Microsoft Windows 10, and I'm going to show you the new print options on the Edge web browser. So we are in a web page right now. Let's just go ahead and find out how to print. So go in the upper right-hand corner where it says More Actions. Go to the drop down and you'll see print as an option. Now you certainly can just hit print and just hit print, but there's a lot of options here, and of course it's a lot easier than it was in the old version. So if we see the printer, you might see a Microsoft Print to PDF option there. We could also change it to, say, our printer that is actually attached to our computer. So now it's going in and seeing the different options that it can do. And let's go ahead and change the orientation to landscape mode. And now we see everything in landscape mode. Of course, we can increase our copies if we want, or we can just go in and type how many copies we want. You can print all the pages, a current page, or a page range. So if it's a 1 to 5, you can do, say, oh, I only want to print 1 to 2. So that would be a way to do the range. Scale, shrink to fit. If you want, you can choose other sizes, and you can actually see that change on your print preview on the right. So there we go, just by changing that. And of course, you might mess up your formatting if you do it that way. So let's just go back to 100%, and that looks pretty good. All right, margins. By default, it will have some margins all along the side. If you want, you can change those. There's narrow margins there, so it gets more on the page. You can go wide, you can go moderate, that kind of thing. Headers and footers. If you want to put a header on the page, then you can choose that and click More Settings. You've got the orientation, which we talked about earlier. You can collate the pages if you want. You've got the size of the paper, so in case you're using another size other than the default. You've got the source, which is which tray to pick from on the printer. And of course, you've got the option to do color or black and white. So once you choose which one you want, you just click print and out it comes.